Hi, Michael.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Are you all ready to cook some food with us?
Ooh, it's cooking today.
Yummy. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Oh, me too. My tummy's rumbling.
Yeah. Well, we've got some things here where we can use to cook and make some delicious food.
We have our toy box. What's in our toy box today?
Well, let's find out, shall we? Ooh, I want to take this big pink one. What's that?
I think this is a stove.
That's right. It's a stove.
I think there's an oven here that you can open.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Is there something inside there?
Yeah, there's some food already cooking inside.
Oh, okay. Well, we can add to that. And then there's another door there.
Yes. I think that's
For
putting some meat and fish inside there.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's put it to good use, shall we? What else have we got?
We have a toaster.
Toaster.
Yes.
For putting in pizza, right?
Ooh, no. I think that would be really messy.
Well, what do we put in a toaster?
Sliced bread.
That's right.
Yes.
Okay. I'll make sure to do that. Looks like we've got a pot here.
Oh, that looks like a good soup pot.
You can put all kinds of vegetables and yummy things in there. Okay, let's put that over here.
I have another stovetop here.
Oh, great. So
Yes.
we can cook more things.
It's going to be a feast.
I'm ready for some food. Oh, what's this?
It's a kettle.
A kettle?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you do with a kettle?
We boil water in a kettle.
Oh, so you can make things like tea,
Coffee.
coffee,
Yes.
bananas.
No.
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 Oh, sorry, just water. I gotta learn. All right, let's start cooking.
Okay.
Well, what's this?
I think it's a frying pan.
Frying pan for frying yummy, delicious food.
Yes. And
So-
I have a spatula here.
Okay, and oh, we've got a knife.
Oh, yes.
Knives are fun, right? Because you can just take them, and if you want to cut your finger, you just.
No.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. I'm good.
Yeah.
See, my hand's okay. I was just joking. I didn't really cut off my finger.
Well, we have a chopping board here, so I think the knife and the chopping board go together.
They go together.
Yes.
We're gonna cut some food pretty soon.
Yes.
This looks like a rice cooker.
Yes, I think that is a rice cooker.
Yeah. So let's put that over here to cook some rice. And now let's
We
get
have
down.
another pot here.
Shall we get down to the veggies?
Here. Oh,
Let's
yes.
pick some yummy veggies.
Okay. We have cabbage and tomato and pumpkin.
Cabbage.
Yes.
Let's see. Cabbage, tomato, and pumpkin.
Yes.
You know what? We could make a soup, maybe.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Which one shall we chop up first?
What about the cabbage?
Okay, here's the cabbage.
That's not the cabbage!
What?
That's not the cabbage. That's tomato.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You're being silly.
Okay, which one? Let's see. I think this one's the cabbage.
Is that the cabbage? No. Oh,
No.
it's not the cabbage.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, so
I'm going to try again. Is this the cabbage?
I think that's the cabbage, right? Okay, so why don't we chop this up and put those to the side?
Yes.
Do you
Okay.
want to do the honors
Yes.
and chop it
I
up?
will use the knife.
Okay, be careful.
I will. I'm going to keep my fingers away from where I'm going to cut. And I'm going to do it very carefully.
Oh, don't cut your finger! Oh.
It's okay.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh,
There we go.
Nice job!
Thank you.
So-
Here you are. Here's your cabbage.
Thank you for the cabbage. Let's
Yes.
put that in this pot.
I'm going
Start
to put the
boiling.
rest of this to the side.
Oh, add water. I forgot to add water from the kettle.
Oh, some water would help.
There we go.
Yes.
Now let's mix it up with
Here.
a spoony thing.
Here.
Oh, sorry, it's a fork thing.
Yes. Oh, I found some broccoli. I found some
Broccoli?
broccoli on a plate.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you like broccoli?
Mmm.
I like broccoli with cheese.
Oh yeah, that goes really well. Can we put some broccoli in this soup too?
Sure, let's
Okay.
do it. I think you can just dump it right in.
Yes.
It's already chopped.
There we go.
And let's mix it around.
Yes.
Put some
I
salt.
found a couple of plates here. Oh,
And
here's another spatula.
What about pepper? Do you guys like pepper? No? Okay, we won't put any pepper. All right. So.
All right. Can we chop up some other vegetables?
Sure. What kind of vegetables would you like?
Well, I would like some corn.
Corn?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you like corn?
I love corn.
I love corn too.
It's a corny vegetable.
So I'm going to cut it into two so that we can both have some.
Watch it begin.
I'm okay. I know what I'm doing. There we go. Do you want this piece or this piece?
Can I have the piece with the green stuff on it?
Sure. So I'm just going to cook it for a little bit.
Oh, right.
Here.
Okay. You can't eat corn just like that, can you?
No, well, I think you can, but it might be a bit tough.
I don't think it would taste very good.
Here we are. So while we're waiting for this to cook,
Yeah?
shall we
This is
play
cooking.
a little game?
Sure. You want to do counting game?
Yes, let's do a counting game. Ready?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Oh, wait a minute. I think I said the wrong number.
I think you did.
What was I supposed to say?
It's 10.
10? Maybe we need to do it again.
I think we should do it again. Can you help?
Can you help? Maybe you can make sure I don't make a mistake.
Yes,
All right, ready?
ready? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10. Oh, thank you. Thanks for your help.
Oh, my corn is
it
ready. My
I
corn
think
is
this one's
ready.
ready too.
Here, you wanted the one with the green, right?
Yeah,
Here
yeah.
we are. And do you want some butter on yours?
I love butter.
Okay, I'm not going to have butter on mine, but
I'll use this to put. Maybe can I use this spatula to
Yeah,
put some butter on?
yes, I'm not going to put butter on mine, so
Okay.
I'm just going to cool mine off.
Yummy butter. Melting all the butter there. Okay, are you ready to eat it?
How do you like to eat your corn?
Ooh, I should probably put it in a plate.
Yeah.
How do I like to eat my corn?
Yeah.
Just kind of like rolling it in my mouth, like.
Oh, I like to pick mine off kernel by kernel like this.
How do you do it? Let's see that
I-
closer.
I pick it off like this,
Oh, okay.
and then like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll use my teeth to do
Like
that. You use
row
your
by row, and
fingers.
sometimes I can get a whole row.
Really?
Yeah, and just put it all on the plate, and then
All right, let's go. You ready to eat your corn? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
okay.
Ow. Ow.
Don't you get bits in your teeth when you do that?
Sure, it's just food for later.
You need to brush your teeth.
It's a snack you can have later.
That was yummy.
Well, let's have our soup, and then I think we'll be done our meal for the day.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
Which one do you like more, the cabbage or the broccoli?
I really like cabbage. Can I have the cabbage?
Yeah, sure.
It's one of my favorite vegetables.
Oh.
Here.
You finished the corn?
Yes, I did finish my corn.
And I'm gonna have the broccolis. Maybe broccolis. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Ready?
Thank you. Bon
Sure.
appetit.
Bon appetit. Ooh, let's use a little sporky thing here.
Oh, that was hot.
I wish I had some cheese to put on it. It's really good.
That's
Well,
delicious.
That was really, really good.
Yes.
And I think that's the end of our meal. Did you enjoy your meal? Yeah?
Yummy, yummy.
Good, right? And I hope you remember, if you ever see a knife, please don't play with it, or you might hurt yourself, right?
Yes, yes.
Of course, this isn't even a real knife. This is just a play knife.
Yeah.
But if you see a real knife, don't play with it, because you could hurt yourself. All right. I think that's all for now.
Yes.
And then now we got to go clean this up.
We need to go and do the dishes, so we need to say goodbye.
Yeah. We'll see you all next time.
Bye for now.
We love you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Mwah.